Okay, we went ahead and cut the batting off the edge. Now we're going to go ahead and flip it. Just reach your fingers in there and grab a far corner. And very carefully turn it inside out. Now with this being satin, you have to be that much more careful. If you're noticing too much pressure, having too hard a time getting it to come out, it's a good idea to go ahead and cut a couple extra stitches. You could do just like that. And that way it doesn't rip your material. If you do rip your material right along the edges, you can probably tuck it in when you hand stitch it if you need to. Once you have it all the way out, you're going to want to get your needle and thread ready so we can stitch the hole closed. Just like so. And just give it a good shake out. It should be something like that. And then you'll have your edge that you're going to want to stitch. And mine did not line up perfectly because I didn't have it pinned quite tight enough. So I will have a little wrinkle in there. And if you're feeling too picky, you can go ahead and take them all out. I know my little cousin Evie's not going to mind, so I'm going to leave it like that. I'm going to go ahead and pin it so the insides are in. Try to get it as even as I can. Oops. And I have my needle and thread ready. Tie a good knot on the end. Start stitching from the inside so that your knot is hidden. Then you're going to do, I believe it's called a whip stitch. Or it'll just keep going around the outside.